this time for the record books. What did we do again?
Upper transmission mount, dog bone mount, lower control arm bushings, oil change, and reset the orange oil light.
And what year was it? It was
2016 Jetta Sport 1.8.
Four transmission mount bolts, two there and two up there. We got two 18s,
four 16s.
You jack it up so it clears and then you lower it back down on.
Yep.
What size on the battery terminal?
10.
What size on that?
13.
What size?
T30.
T30. What's the name of those pliers? Moving the oil filter. What size was that nut? 32 millimeters. 25 newtons. There's a torque spec on the oil cap. What are we doing down here? Control arm bushing. What size on those?
16.
Is that an 18 or? 18 on this right here, and then an 18 right there. I actually should have got that because I missed it. I was amazed. What does that tell you?
The index mark.
That index tells you that arrow to there?
The tight side there.
Gotcha. How do you know which side the
tight side goes to there? See how the bushing is tighter?
is that to the back of the car?
Yeah.
Now is that fitting to tell you like how tight you can go to the bottom until it hits?
Yep.
You did. Threw a nut on top of that?
Yep.
And that was at 18?
Yep.
Can you tell me your trick one more time on that? You just pry the... Is there anything loose up top? Oh, you just take the dog bone, you loosen the dog bone. Alright, so you can loosen this dog bone and then you can rock the tranny and engine forward to get to this bolt right here. That's the trick.
Seal of the seal. Goes toward the plug.
Oh, okay. What size on the dog bone?
16 to the transmission, 21 to the subframe.
So he was saying about that ring, this side goes towards the plug, and this is what seals to the plug, and then this side is what goes towards the oil pan. Liters?
6.2.
6.2?
Yeah.
So this is how you turn off the orange oil light.
There you go.